Welcome back to CNB. It is the first time we are seeing snow and experiencing this kind of weather on the Great Overland Adventure, and which is why we're sort of being childlike with it. Let's move on now and talk about that rather ominous looking motorcycle. The Dark Horse from Indian is not just a new model, it's not just one with a hefty price tag, but there's more going for that bike. Bala rode it. Here's the review.
Indian Motorcycles designs its cruisers to be a bit intimidating, and each new motorcycle looks to outdo the other in flexing muscle. But then you have this. The new Dark Horse cruiser from the same family with a bit more attitude, not just pure muscle.
Now, full-blooded cruisers with little or less chrome is quite a rare sight these days, and that's why this Indian Dark Horse really stands out. You've got this nice matte black finish running across the fuel tank as well as across the headlamps, giving it a more classy look, little less bling to look at and also less intimidating. Also, you've got a nice cruising position, riding position, the handlebars that come within reach, and the switchgear also feels within reach. So on the highway, this feels nice and comfortable to ride on. Quite a perfect cruiser.
The instrument cluster with the analog speedometer and part digital meter is well located on top of the fuel tank. Chrome makes an appearance on the long exhaust, and there's a little bit on the fenders too. It mightn't look as intimidating as its sibling, but the Dark Horse is a 357 kilo heavy monster. The Indian Dark Horse comes alive with a strong thumping note as you turn on the ignition. The motorcycle eagerly leaps forward as you hit the highway, and it's capable of hitting 3-digit speeds in no time at all.
Thankfully, a powerful engine tames it with smooth acceleration and more than enough torque. But at slower speeds in city traffic, like most heavy cruisers, the weight really comes through, and that's not where this beauty deserves to be. It's out on the open road that this beauty transforms into the beast.
Over 100 bhp of maximum power is delivered ever so smoothly, and the 139 Nm torquey motor allows you to be comfortable in higher gears at low speeds. The 6-speed gearbox is smooth, and once you're out on the open highway, it involves very little shifting. The cruiser grips and brakes well, and the suspension manages to deal with patchy roads. The long wheelbase can make it a bit dicey to make sharp turns, but the Indian Dark Horse handles with confidence on wide turns. Priced at 21.99 lakh rupees ex-showroom Delhi, the Dark Horse is a full-blooded motorcycle that offers class with attitude with the regular cruiser experience, and clearly it is for the few who have not only the money but also the inclination to tame this kind of a beast.